Did you know that your liver can be 10% fat before you even feel a single symptom? That's right. Millions of people are walking around with a fatty liver and have absolutely no idea, often until it's too late. But today, I'm going to reveal the 5 silent warning signs you must never ignore. Science-backed plan to help you start reversing it naturally in just 30 days. Think of your liver as your body's ultimate filter. It's a powerhouse that processes everything you eat and drink, working tirelessly to keep you clean. But when it gets overwhelmed by a constant barrage of sugar, processed foods, and toxins, it starts storing fat. This is what we call non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. And it's a huge problem because, if left unchecked, it can lead to permanent liver scarring, a condition known as cirrhosis, or even complete liver failure. But your body often sends subtle signals long before things get that serious. So let's dive into the first silent sign you need to watch out for. The first sign is chronic fatigue. Do you feel completely exhausted even after getting a full 8 hours of sleep? This isn't just about being a little tired. When your liver is struggling to process toxins, your energy levels take a massive hit. It's a deep, persistent tiredness because your body is working overtime, fighting to clean itself out from the inside. Second warning sign is that stubborn belly fat that just won't budge. If you've noticed you have a protruding belly or a potbelly shape, especially if your arms and legs are relatively thin, your liver could be the reason why. A fatty liver disrupts your hormonal balance, sending signals to your body to store dangerous visceral fat right around your vital organs. This isn't just a cosmetic issue. It's a major red flag for your metabolic health. Sign number 3 is skin issues, like persistent itching or strange red spots. Have you noticed tiny red, spider-like veins appearing on your chest, back, or arms? These are called spider angles. Or maybe you've looked at your hands and seen that your palms are unusually red. This is known as palmar erythema. Both are classic signs that your liver is under stress, which is affecting your blood flow and circulation right at the surface of your skin. The fourth silent sign is brain fog. If you constantly find it hard to focus, feel mentally cloudy, or struggle with your memory, your liver might be to blame. A healthy liver is responsible for clearing ammonia, a toxic byproduct of protein metabolism, from your blood. But when your liver is fatty and sluggish, ammonia levels can rise and cross the blood-brain barrier, directly impacting your cognitive function and leaving you feeling spaced out and confused. And the fifth warning sign is a pain or discomfort in your upper right abdomen. If you feel a dull, persistent ache or a sense of fullness right under your right rib cage, that's the exact location of your liver. 2. This feeling can be a sign that your liver is physically enlarged and inflamed due to the accumulation of fat. It's your liver literally crying out for help. Now for the good news. Your liver is an incredible organ. In fact, it's the only organ in your body that can completely regenerate itself. You have the power to turn this around. Here is your 30-day action plan to start healing your liver. First, you have to cut the sugar, especially fructose. High fructose corn syrup, found in sodas and processed foods, is the #1 enemy of your liver. Think of it as poison for your liver cells. Second, start using apple cider vinegar. Third, load up on cruciferous vegetables. Things like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cauliflower contain a powerful compound called sulforaphane, which activates your liver's natural detoxification pathways. And fourth, try intermittent fasting. Simply giving your liver a break from constantly processing food is incredibly powerful. When you fast for 16 hours, your body switches its fuel source and starts to burn that stored fat in your liver for energy. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, and a healthy liver is central to a healthy life. You can do this. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips to help you live your best life. And to show you're serious about this, comment liver down below if you're committing to cleaning up your liver this month. Thanks for watching.